The pear-shaped wonder, known as papaya or the fruit of the angels, has graced our tables for centuries, tantalizing our taste buds with its sweet and tropical flavor. Yet, beyond its delectable taste, papaya hides a treasure trove of health benefits, bursting with vitamin C and an abundance of essential minerals and vitamins. Papaya is celebrated for its curative and healing properties. Among its many secrets, papaya seeds emerge as a natural elixir for promoting hair growth and nurturing scalp health. In this comprehensive guide, we embark on an exploration of the remarkable advantages of papaya seeds in stimulating hair growth and maintaining overall hair health. Furthermore, we provide you with a detailed step-by-step guide on how to seamlessly integrate papaya seeds into your hair care routine. 1. The magic of papaya seeds for hair growth. Before we dive into the intricacies of using papaya seeds for nurturing your hair, it's crucial to understand the science behind why these diminutive powerhouses are a hair's best friend. Benefits of papaya seeds for hair growth. 1. Dandruff control. Papaya seeds, rich in vitamins A and C, offer a potent solution to the persistent problem of dandruff. These seeds excel in exfoliating the scalp, facilitating the removal of dead skin cells, and maintaining a healthier scalp environment. 2. Stimulates hair growth. A dynamic duo of folic acid and vitamin C present in papaya seeds plays a pivotal role in enhancing blood circulation throughout the scalp. This heightened blood flow ensures that hair follicles receive a generous supply of vital nutrients, creating an ideal milieu for robust hair growth. 3. Natural hair conditioning. The enzymes found in papaya seeds contribute to natural hair conditioning. These enzymes effectively break down and eliminate product buildup that may have accumulated on the scalp. As a result, moisture and essential nutrients adhere to the hair shaft, providing long-lasting and effective conditioning. 4. Banishes buildup. Stubborn buildup of residual products and dead skin cells can stifle hair growth and lead to lackluster locks. Papaya seeds come to the rescue by thoroughly cleansing the scalp, unblocking clogged pores, and fostering an environment conducive to enhanced hair growth. Using papaya seeds for hair growth, a detailed guide. Now that you're well acquainted with the remarkable benefits of papaya seeds for your hair, let's embark on a journey to incorporate these nature's gems into your hair care routine with finesse. Step 1. Acquiring ripe papaya seeds. Kickstart your hair transformation by procuring a ripe papaya fruit from your local grocery store. The key here is to obtain a substantial quantity of seeds by scooping them out from the papaya's core. While you're at it, relish the luscious fruit itself, as it offers a delicious dose of nutrition and flavor. Step 2. Thorough cleansing and drying. After scooping out the seeds, place them in a bowl and give them a thorough rinse to eliminate any lingering pulp. Subsequently, transfer the seeds onto a cloth or towel, allowing them to air dry. For an expedited drying process, consider placing them outdoors under the sun's gentle rays or employing a dehydrator, if available. Step 3. Transforming seeds into powder. Once your papaya seeds are impeccably dry, it's time to transform them into a fine powder. This can be effortlessly achieved using either a mortar and pestle or a trusty spice grinder. The resulting papaya seed powder is the linchpin of your hair care regimen. Step 4. Fusion with shampoo. Incorporate the powdered papaya seeds into your chosen shampoo, preferably one with natural ingredients. Shake the shampoo bottle vigorously to ensure a thorough mixture. Remember to shake the bottle before each use to prevent the powder from settling at the bottom. Step 5. Elevate your hair washing routine. Now, it's time to pamper your tresses with the newfound potential of your shampoo enriched with papaya seeds. Use it as you would your regular shampoo during your hair washing ritual. Within a few weeks, you'll begin to witness the transformative effects of papaya seeds on your hair's health and vitality. In closing, papaya seeds emerge as a remarkable yet often overlooked treasure in the realm of hair care. Their diverse benefits, spanning from dandruff control and hair growth stimulation to natural conditioning and buildup removal, position them as an invaluable asset for maintaining a thriving scalp and luxurious locks.